Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and today I have a new installation for today, or a new box unboxing, and it's going to be an installation as well. This is my Garmin GPS map 743 XSV I bought today from Raymarine. It's an MFD. This MFD is strictly as a backup. In case I get struck by lightning, it's going to go right there, in here somewhere. It won't be connected to the mains power. I do have a Blue Sea Systems power bank here, board here. My 8612 is going to go up there, and a couple of instruments up here. But this is strictly it's a redundant system. In case I do get struck by lightning, I'll lose all of my electronics. I have something that I can rely on while I'm out sailing around. So I'm going to unbox it here, and then we've got the Garmin back cover plate itself right here. It's the front cover plate, I guess. We got the unit. Pull that out. Put that aside. Put this aside here. This is the unit here. I'm going to be flush mounting this, so I won't be using the supply bracket that comes with it. So this is the unit here. It's got the front, and we'll flip it to the back. We have a lot more than the 742. We have a lot more inputs for the back. We have our power, which is here. We have our ground, which is optional. We have sonar in. I don't know what fitting this one is. We have another sonar fitting, a 12 pin, I believe. I think. And then we have a USB port here, which I think it's for cameras and stuff, I think. Then we have our RJ45 network port, which Garmin recommend not to use RJ45 network cables. They can use their proprietary ones. And these two are the NEMA 2000. Got one here, and we have another one here. Have another one there. So this is the back, and then here we have the SIM cards. We have two spaces for SIM cards. This is for North America, and this one can be for whatever I want it to be, like probably the Caribbean. That's where I'm headed to. So this is the Garmin 743 GPS map I got. So this is the unit itself. So then in the box, rest of the box, we have this. I don't know what this is. Oh. Nothing else in there. Nothing else in there. These are the probably the fascia plates for the front, or the top covers. And then here we have our cables. We have all of our cables. We have our NEMA 2000 T cable. I don't have any terminators, resistors yet. I have to buy those separately. They weren't in stock at that when I picked this up today. This is a sonar cable, I believe, which I don't know where this blue end goes to. And this is the mounting bracket. If I wanted to mount it like that, if I wanted to mount it here like that, which would get in the way, but I won't be using this. So if anybody needs this and you want to pay for shipping, I'll send it to you. I'll ship it to you, because I won't be using this bracket. And then we have the instructions and mounting template and stuff probably in here. Instructions in here. So we'll toss this to the side. So just to recap, we have the Garmin GPS map 743 XSV. We have the front cover plate. We have the instructions. We have the sonar cable. We have these are cable weights, I believe. These are cable weights. They're weighted magnets. So I don't know what these do, resistors or something. And we have the seals, the foam seals. We have the mounting screws for the flush mount, and the ones for the got screws for mounting the unit down with the bracket. We have the power cable. This is the power cable. This is a 6 amp fuse, which it's one of those glass fuses which I don't terribly care for. I'm going to put an inline fuse in. This is the NEMA 2000 cable, the two NEMA 2000 T-fitting that come with it, and we have the the trim covers, and then we have the mounting bracket, which I'm not going to use. So this unit is going to go right there. It's going to go right there. It's going to go there, and then next to it will be my AIS radio, ham radio down here, SSB radio down here, a ham radio here, and I'm going to figure out something else to put over there. Probably my another AIS or some other sort of radio over there. I don't know yet, but that's what we got. So this is just an unboxing video. This is SY Sublime. Fair winds, sandy toes, margaritas, and have a nice day.